Shyam Tiwari had appreciated Mallikarjun Kharge.
पोजीशन के साथ में हुआ है उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ इसलिए नेम कर देंगे।
नहीं,
आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir.
Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ, और सर मुझे माफ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Jaya, 1 second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here and build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Kharge ji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get... No, Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct. Okay. Get going. I know you want to destabilize the entire nation. Yes. You are out to create chaos in the house. Nothing else is going on record. I shall not be party to this house being converted, Mr. Kharge, as a epicenter of disturbance. You are determined to have your way at the cost of Constitution. You are doing it. It is lack of decorum, disrespect to democracy, disrespect to Constitution. You are walking away from your obligations. You are walking away from your duty. Honorable members, they don't want to participate. They know how to create only chaos. I am surprised. Absolutely. The nation is a priority. The nation is always first. Honorable members, honorable members, honorable members, honorable members, take your seat, take your seat, take your seat, take your seat. Honorable members, एक सेकंड. Honorable members, what a sad day. 9th August 1942. Call of Mahatma Gandhi. Quit India. And this house paid tribute to the martyrs because we got freedom. They are quitting parliament. They are quitting their duty. They are quitting their oath to constitution. They are showing back not to the chair or to the house, to the constitution and their sense of duty. And how can we suffer? Leading lights of the ruling party, ultimate controllers of the opposition. Look at the difference. We are in the making of Bharat to be a Viksit Bharat. The world is recognizing us. Accolades are pouring in from all quarters. World Bank, IMF. And the rise is incremental. People are witnessing the rise. Infrastructural growth. We are on way to a development journey. His people want to impede. I use this platform with all sense of responsibility. India is a peaceful country. India is a stable country. India has most functional, vibrant democracy. India has leadership continually in its third term. A history in making after 6 decades. India has leadership in Prime Minister that has global recognition. The nation is proud of it. And some people taking note of happenings in the neighboring country are engaging in inflammatory, condemnable narrative. And the ideology to which they subscribe is in silence. It has become a habit, leader of the house, with some of them, that a segment will speak out against the nation. A segment will set at float a narrative which tarnishes our institutions, demeans our democratic culture, weakens our progress, and they will expel the gentleman and take back. It is, I make an appeal to all right-thinking people in the country. It is time for them not to observe silence. Such narratives have to be ambushed at the threshold. Can you see reason today? Last time they walked out with one slogan, LOP, LOP, LOP. Today, what they worked out? One of the most experienced members of this House, 4 decades of experience, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. His only transgression was he praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji. The praise was in Sanskrit. Mallikarjun ji Kharge was invited to my chamber along with Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. Threadbare matter was discussed. It was understood. This was quietus. But as a design, as a strategy, as a well-planned orchestration to find an alibi to walk out from the house, they stage it. I won't leave of the house. That if such misdemeanor takes place, even at the instance or of the leader of the opposition, I will try to avoid to an extreme degree taking a recourse which otherwise is unavoidable. I have been avoiding it virtually every day. I don't want to make it routine. And today, the top brass was here. What I saw was failure of commitment to nationalism, failure of belief in our country, disregard of our constitution. And that is why I say 2 good things have happened in last decade. One, we started having Constitution Day, because that constitution was ravaged in 1975 emergency. Nowhere in the history of the world you will find emergency was claimed because a judge in Allahabad High Court, JML Sinha, held the election of Srimati Indira Nehru Gandhi, then Prime Minister, as void. Emergency was claimed. That was the time when every misdeed of the emergency, every wrongdoing of the emergency, where lakhs of the people were put behind the bars. They were ill-treated, tortured. 9 high courts in the country upheld the right of the citizen to have recourse to law. Supreme Court then, in ADM Jabalpur, reversed the 9 high courts and held during emergency there will be no fundamental rights, no right to access to justice system, and emergency can last as long as the government wants. What a travesty. Emergency clamped because a consensus judge declared the election void. Emergency wrongfully sanctified by another court. The present court has regretted the decision. The present court has reversed the decision using very strong language. And that is why Svidhan Hatya Divas has a significance. It is very timely. 2025 will be 50th anniversary of that. I want every young man in the country to know the dangers of these activities. These are not ordinary disruptions, let me tell you. These are not ordinary disturbances. They are a mechanism to throttle debate, a mechanism to insult democratic values. And I therefore appeal through you to everyone in the country. Let the message go that what they have done is trivializing democracy, institutions for just petty gain at the cost of the nation, that will not be countenanced.